My credit is all the way up there. I cannot wait to go apply for this new car, honey. I got my credit. They told me I had to get my credit up to a 650. It's all the way up to 27, so I cannot complain. Shout out to CPNGenerator for getting my credit A1 and together. So, like I said, just in case y'all think this is a joke, this is real deal Holyfield. Like, if you want to go get you a new car, if you want to go rent you a house, rent you a condo in the sky, baby, you need to get this right here. This is the best gig. Y'all know y'all got that $9.99. Y'all got that. It's tax season 2. Get hooked up. CPNGenerator.com.